Hello everyone. Today we're going to be unboxing what we got in from US Car Tools. Real cool website they have. I was able to order everything for the Hemi project, and as everybody knows, on this vlog series that I'm going to be doing on this channel, I'm going to be documenting every step that I'm going to do to put the 572 engine in the Duster. So you're going to see everything from end to end as much as I can document. And this is the first part to getting the car to the rotisserie to do the mini tub, the rad support torque boxes, and the subframe connectors. So let's get to it. Let's start unboxing this stuff and see what we got. Okay, let's try the first box. If the camera bounces around a little bit, it's because we're on a table and I don't have a tripod set up yet. And I hate these staples because as I get older, my arthritis is getting worse. Okay, well boxed, no issues. These are the inboard spring location kit. Okay, that's out of the way. And what's nice, I got a catalog and some stickers. Okay, instructions. Yep, instructions. Different kits that they have. Of course, I ordered the level 3 kit for the Duster. They make them for Mustangs, obviously, and other cars out there in the market. But mostly Mopar. So they have them for Mopar, Camaro, or Mustang. But yeah, Mopar is their primary. When I talked to these guys on the phone, they were incredibly supportive with the product, and they gave me good guidance, opinions, and ideas that I can go into this project with. And I got to be very methodical with building this project because it's not a cheap build. Okay. These are the backs where the purchase would go. You would bolt them in the original location. This is the passenger side. This is where you would bolt them in, and then you notch the frame and you put that in the back. That's going to be the back spring hanger. So it's going to be inboard. This will be your frame, and that's going to be where the perch is. Okay. So I get 2 of those, and they're stamped, laser cut, left and right. Pretty cool. Okay, now these bad boys are real super heavy, and they're way thicker than the sheet metal subframe that we have in that car. That's the left perch. You're going to actually take that to bolt that in. I'm going to do a video series on how I'm going to be installing these as well. Pretty nice to see. Put that right back in there. Look at the other side. That's the passenger side. And what's in this here? Oh, okay. These are the perches for the axle. Pretty freaking cool. I didn't know they came in the kit. Okay, that's one box down. Pretty cool. One box out of the way. Next item up for bid, I'm pretty sure I know what this is. This is the mini tub kit. Wrapping. Instruction sheet. Same booklet, but the instructions are in there. Also, if you go to their website, they also have a PDF file, but they give detailed instructions on where to cut. That's pretty cool. And the installation of the mini tub kit itself. Okay. I'm going to put those right back in the folder. More insulation. Okay. There's the tub. There's the mini tub kit for the one side. And then there's the other. see if there's anything else in the box. And there is. We have, I can tell you right now, I'm going to be zinc chromating these real fast because it's all pure metal and I'm touching it and it's over 100 in the shop. Okay, we got the little brackets and stuff. So that's the unboxing of the mini tub kit. The instructions are in there. And that's what they're going to look like. Let's see what's in this one. Okay. Everything is very well boxed. They don't mess around with their products. These people know how to box stuff. So, Torque box is in the box. Pretty well wrapped. Made the trip pretty well. Let's get all this out of here. And more boxes. Okay, here are the boxes out of that box. And subframe connectors are the heaviest. So, we have the USC Torque boxes, the subframe connectors, the Radcore support, and the inner fender braces. So we're going to open them up as we go here. American made, good quality, everything inspected, everything very well packaged, very impressed with the company. And like I say, if you talk to these people on the phone, knows the product well, they actually build these cars that they put their products in, so can't say enough good about them. But I am impressed. You get what you pay for. And their level 3 kit, so far that I'm seeing, I'm pretty impressed. Okay, let's continue on. Okay, and here are the Torque boxes. I just opened up the box. And I can definitely tell I'm going to be epoxy priming all this immediately. Being in Florida in the summertime, it's 70% humidity, so I'm going to put a quick light coat on all of this stuff ASAP. So I'm not going to try to handle this stuff too much. So those are the Torque boxes. 2 more in here. I know these are the fronts. I can already see that. The box end is the back. Okay. And last, these have a little bit of an oily coating, so they're not going to kick that quick. But for me, I'm going to preserve them anyway. So I already know this is on the slate today. Next box is the inner fender braces. Instructions. I know what these pieces are. There's the braces. Okay. Nice quality. And the other side. Everything's very well wrapped. Not an issue. Up next is the rad support. Let's open this one up. Okay, here's the rad support. That goes underneath the radiator area. It's a weak area, and we're going to weld this in place and stiffen this sucker up. Like I said, when we're doing the Hemi project, we weren't messing around. We didn't want to tweak the body anymore. I raced the car over the years with a 440. It did very well, but now we really upped the ante. So we want to make sure the car can handle everything that the Gen 2 can dish out. And this is the right step to do to modify the car to be safe. Last but not least, here we go. There they are. That's the subframe connectors. These things are designed to contour the floor pan. So what we're going to be doing with these is we're going to panel bond the rest of it. We're going to tack weld all the way down, and then we're going to panel bond in those, and then we're going to weld in the corners and the front pieces as well. Thicker than the factory frame, and they're left and right designated as well. So everybody, thanks for checking this out. This video is one of many that I'm going to be doing. US Car Tools is the company. I'm going to leave a link in the description. They were very helpful and very supportive with this product and anything else that I had questions with beyond their product, because they actually put these in their cars and they race them with their cars too. So everything's been pre-tested. It all works. Now it just comes down to me putting all these parts in. So with that said, thank you so much for taking your time to view the vlog, and we will see you on the next vlog. Take care.